Elite King 850 here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Scope, Miami Beach. We're about to check out some art pieces. We're gonna actually enjoy the show. We're actually gonna just be present in the moment, view some nice pieces, but we will film as much as we can. But we want to be present in the moment as well. But we're gonna enjoy this art, but we'll show you behind the scenes, a couple nice pieces. And we might even run into one of my good friends that I've known for years, because he even introduced me into the art world our first time in Miami in 2019, where we came down here for this show. So I'm hoping to run into him. If we do, we'll say what up. But let's enjoy the content and follow us along. That one's very popular. Oh my goodness. Yo, welcome. We at the art show and we gonna start this off the right way. We're gonna admire this beautiful piece of art right here. Oh, 4,500. I should grab this one right here. Look at the detail. US Bank. Yo, I love it. US, oh, it's in flames. Actually, it's on fire. So, I don't know if they're going bankrupt here. But yeah, it says US Bank in flames. Yeah, I didn't see that. I just thought it was just like a sunset. But shout out to US Bank. They showed me a lot of love. That's dope. I'm glad you noticed it. When you walk in the US Bank? Man, when I walk in the US Bank, it's nice to meet you, nice to see you, welcome back. Oh my goodness. Oh, snap. Oh my goodness. Man, y'all done burned Chase to the ground, man. All this 0% this, 50K that. Look, Chase is cool, but there's a lot more banks you can get access to capital from. And a lot of people, they done burnt Chase. So if you're one of those people who still got a good relationship with Chase, cool. But if you're looking to get access to more capital and get 6 figures for your business, I can help you do that. I want you to send me a message down below this video and let's get you more funding, because there's a lot more banks that got 0%, not only for 12 months, but up to 18 months. We can get you the funding you deserve for your business. So give it a rest and let's get you some more funding. Come on.
Should we do it?
Yeah, let me see. Let me have you stand next to that. Let me see how much it is. Oh, see the red? Must mean it's sold.
Oh.
6,800. Stand next to it.
You can kind of see.
Wow.
There's so many similarities.
Face me, face me. Okay. Got the inspiration from you?
I like her.
Yeah, I bet. I bet. No resemblance at all.
It's like my cousin. Love her hair.
That one definitely looks like you. Oh my goodness.
You think?
Yeah.
What? It does a little bit on the camera though.
Wow. That's interesting. Like if I bought that and that's in the crib, we got visitors like, is that her? Imagine buying one without the other.
Right.
I wonder if they come together, because it's just like you're forced to buy the other one. Imagine. Hey, yeah, 8,500. Wow. I'm still cool. Seeing DK too. He's like in Weston. Yeah, he's far out. So he has some clients that tries to get me to do some footage for. So I get some behind the scenes once in a while. But yeah, you move down here, that'd be dope. That'd be dope for sure. Like,
bro, I really feel man get into this streaming, bro. I'm like be wild as hell, bro. I'm literally selling high-end art, fashion, other businesses that I don't even post about, and on the phone, the politicians, and getting on the other line saving lives, bro.
Right.
No, let him live today.
Exactly.
You gotta build out the agency, bro.
Yeah.
Got some shit, I'm telling you. I think we talked last time about some books, bro.
Oh, I gotta get to it, man. Like, even when I've been learning some recent stuff, and I reminded myself, like, the books really changed my whole mindset and perspective. Like, I gotta get back to that. I gotta carve out the time with some old-fashioned reading.
I mean, even if it's an audio book, bro, but you can't approach a job without the tools.
Yeah.
I mean, your brain is just that's hardware, but it's empty hardware. It's an empty computer.
Yeah.
So how you program your mind is the software.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? But we gotta keep doing it. Like we'll get in the trenches and refigure out how we want to and reconfigure our whole lives. But then it's like, no, we can't stop. We gotta keep doing this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because it keep going up, man.
Yeah.
Your phone do more software updates than people doing.
Exactly. Exactly.
Reason, man, like we gotta operate that same way.
Yeah.
We want to keep going up, shit. That's how we gonna keep going up.
Exactly.
You gotta get games, no matter what you're doing. Niggas up in the street trying to make some money, and you don't know your math, you don't know what weight what and what it sell for.
Exactly.
But we jump in business every day and be like, well, this feel like a good number.
Right.
Sometimes it's okay as long as it's up there. Like I'll try somebody because I just feel like that's what make that price make me feel good. So that's what it is. I don't gotta break this shit down for you, motherfucker. You want it or not?
Exactly.
We attract money. We got money chasing us, man.
Yeah.
This shit all mental. It's all energy, man.
Hell yeah.
Literally.
That's what I realized the most. This guy, when you tapped in, it just, I'm not trying to chase nothing down. Just.
I'm gonna tell you, right? When you look at an atom, we all break down the atoms. Everything. The shirt, me, you, we all are made of the same thing. We all break down the atoms. The atom is like 99.999% energy.
Yeah.
0.00001% mass. And in this life, we only focusing on the mass. What about the 99% of the energy that's going on around us? We ain't supposed to be chasing things, we supposed to be attracting them.
Exactly.
And it's starting to mind.
Exactly.
The reality is the one that we create in our head. It ain't about, when you see it in a physical form, that means it was somebody else's idea already that they made come true.
Right.
You are reacting to something somebody else did. That ain't even controlling your life.
Exactly.
So like sit down, create the world that you want to exist in your mind and exist there. It'll become real. This shit take you. Bro, money takes us, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Value all around us, bro.
Yeah.
It's 10 people in here that want, 100 people in here that will do business with you. It's on you to get them, you know what I'm saying?
The right energy, the right connect, all of that.
Everything, like you said, you got projects for video, you got projects for, you know what I mean? Everything that you're doing, the business, credit, anything, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You get paid to talk to people. You're attracting all of it.
Like clients be just coming out the sky like, such and such referred me, you know, stuff like that. Like I got to do more of that. Just continue to do good.
You got to employ more people to go and do it for you.
Exactly. That's what I've been working on the whole year, building out that team and putting them in position.
Get somebody who better at building teams than you.
Exactly. I interviewed a few people recently, and I was like, I might have to train you. I need you to be better than me. I need you to be smart. I need you to, on this interview, tell me something I don't know, like stuff like that. I've been more picky with the people I'm working with recently.
Yeah. Strategic with the partnerships, man. A lot of us want to own 100% of nothing.
Exactly.
Shit, I don't want 100% of the responsibility either. I want it to be on us. I want us to have to get it together.
Yeah, that's the key thing I be doing with hiring people. Just like, I want you to work with me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that, like, you in charge of that, I'm in charge of this. Like. into politics, but when I was watching the election stuff, yo, it was like a sitcom. Like she couldn't do an actual interview. It was like, this is real life. These are real life options, really. Like, yeah, it's kind of funny. And then I became consumed. It's like almost like Netflix. Like every day is something new to consume about like the campaigns, because it was just so much theatrics and you couldn't believe any of it. Like, why would she say that? Or her getting booed, her making up stuff, or lies, or like, it was like a Hollywood. When I'm rich enough, I'm gonna make a Netflix special and you're gonna see that, and I'm gonna replay everything, and it's gonna be the behind the scenes or whatever I think was going on. Just paid Megan Thee Stallion 12 million. What's the Glorilla 5 million, Beyonce 20 million, like just paying people to co-sign her. Like literally. She spent $1 billion in 6 months and they want her to leave. And she went over budget and lost. Oh my goodness.
So your team Trump.
I didn't vote. I just watch. It's entertaining. None of those people can help me with my bank account. I focus on the shit I can control. They're gonna make up whatever the laws they want to make. You feel me? It looks like it's just regularly printed though. Like they just printed it. $500 for that paper. Probably made with AI. Trump, Obama having a good time laughing. That's when they was laughing at his ass like, you'll never become the president, blah, blah, blah. And then he became the president. It's like, yeah. They had like this dinner.
And they laughed at him?
Yeah. They literally laughed at him when he was running the very, very first time. They thought they took him as a joke, and then he actually became the president. Like, oh yeah. He was like, and then he won twice.
The lead king. I want to see this book.
Walking down the aisle for the first time. We did it. We did it. Right. Funny enough, that Chase and U.S. Bank art piece.
Is it gone?
No, that was like my favorite piece.
Yeah.
Like I was thinking it was just gonna get better from there.
No.
But we started with the best pieces in the entire space.
I mean, your friend has some really good ones.
Yeah, my friend has some really good ones. Like it's kind of like that every year. Like he's really good at like art and stuff, and like working with the best of the best. So I would rank his stuff top 3 for sure of like actual art. You know, a lot of this stuff is cool, right?
I want the Chase and the U.S. Bank. Those are your 2 favorite ones anyway.
Yeah. Not enjoy the show. Enjoy the moment given the circumstance. If I'm you, I enjoy the moment given the circumstance. No, it's not a perfect situation.
I mean,
Just taking care
I
of
was before this.
the needs. You know what I mean? Wants can come later, but if we get the wants prematurely, it's like, I have to stay disciplined enough not to do that. I could figure out how to get a Lamborghini. Like I could get some stuff, but then it's just like I'll be a slave to the stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it's a need, but it's also a luxury. It's like, you know,
It's a privilege.
it's a privilege to be able to
educate.
learn. You want to go to the finest schools, your parents got to put in that work. Your parents should be able to put it in cash. The place I went to yesterday, they was talking about like, yeah, my kid was in preschool, whatever the hell, $30,000 a month for daycare or something that was like a preschool. $30,000? So imagine having a child. I mean, that's one child, right? I'm like, yo, like they did that. They decided on that. They found it necessary. But it's like, who gets to go? Not everybody. Like, so who earned the right to be there? So that's the part we're working on. We earn all of that stuff. Not prematurely. Timing. timing. It's too easy to make those decisions and swipe those cards. But sometimes they say like when the coach appears when the student is ready. Sometimes they say that, right? So there's a lot of similar situations just like that. When like you're ready when you're actually ready. Certain things might feel like a no-brainer, but it's just like, you don't know how many times I imagine coming back here since I've been living here and just trying to find any sort of excuse to come down here and bring you here too, just like to just enjoy the vibe. Like South Beach at its fullest potential for what it is. This, more than any weekend, is the weekend to be in South Beach. It's not as warm as it normally is. No, as it normally is year round, but the most relevant weekend in the world. Like F1 in Las Vegas was a couple days ago. This is the most important spot in America to be on this week. Like all the billionaires and this and that, they're actually buying art and stuff. But now we gotta hit up Wynwood. We should see a lot more, maybe a younger demographic. Wynwood is like a lot of art. Hello. Walled off tower. Yeah, so next to like exactly. So next to the glasses shop, I'm gonna get my glasses from here. I don't need to grab it right now. Fuck, I hope they're not closed. I don't see nobody sitting. Never mind. I don't see nobody sitting here. This is where I like to sit. That's where I sat last time. It's nice, but it's loud. We can get menus and sit there.
Yeah, you guys are two?
Yeah, just two. Just sit by the street.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.